Hi, I'm Donna Meliga, a financial services professional with New York Life. What does it mean to be good at life? For most of us, a feeling of well-being is the ultimate goal, not only for ourselves, but for our loved ones. And financial security is a key part of that. That's where I come into the picture. I like to build relationships with my clients. It's through that personal connection that I'm able to develop customized solutions tailored to their unique needs. Whether you're planning for retirement, a long-term care event, estate conservation, saving for college, or providing protection for your family, home, or business, New York Life has the extensive resources that will help me to help you. I promise to be upfront about the process and the costs, and you don't have to commit to anything unless it's the right decision for you. So let's start a conversation about your financial goals and dreams to find out how I can help you reach them.